This is an easy way to pick to chart tutorial. Click infographic, choose any template. If you're done choosing template, like about me, you can on the left side there is a tools or equipment chart. Double click to change the title. After you type your title, you can choose font colors, font text, and font size. You can add icons, photos, or change the photo frame, background, and you can add photo. Double click the text to change the text. If you're done, click save.
Thank you for watching.